All right, y'all, crawfish etouffee today. First up, 4 sticks of butter. Go with 1 yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and 2 chopped onions. Ooh. Capping off the Holy Trinity, going in there with that celery. Like that. Oh, now we just want to cook all that down. We're going to go in there with 1 plastic spoon of garlic. Get that in there. Y'all love that garlic. That garlic just adds another level to it. Next up, y'all, you know we got to hit it with that paprika. Hit it with that paprika. What do you know about that paprika? Oh, boy up there in Kentwood to say, what do you know about that paprika, man? All right, now we're going in there with that Southern Boys right there. Ooh, look at that color going in right there, huh? And then we're going in there with that salt. Ooh, man, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. All right, you know we got to hit it with that black pepper. You know I like that black pepper now. Going in there with a little bit of that Worcestershire sauce. Ooh, it ain't gonna take much. We hit it with that little Tabasco right there. Ooh, man, just a little bit, just a little bit. That's all you need right there. Going in there with 4 plastic spoons of that cornstarch. 2 cans that cream of mushroom soup. I know some of y'all gonna hate me for this one. With some water, we're gonna go in there with about 2 cups to begin with, right there. To get all that all cooked down right there. All right, starting to look good. We'll thin it up. We're gonna add a little bit more water to it. About another cup right there. That's a total of 4 cups in there, y'all. All right, now we're going in there with 2 pounds of them Louisiana boiled crawfish right there. 2 pounds of them crawfish tails. Oh man, look at that flavor right there, them Louisiana crawfish tails right there. I got that whisk, get them all down in there like that. Show them that right there. Look at that, y'all. Man, does that look pretty or what? All right, what we're gonna do, y'all, knock that off right there. Now we put that lid on it, lid it up for about 30 minutes with it on low. We get that rice going right there. Check this out, though. Ooh, look at that right there, y'all. Look at that crawfish etouffee right there. Huh? Been about 15 minutes. We got about another 15 minutes on simmer. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna top it with them green onions like that. Oh, man. Drop them green onions in there where they'll soften up a little bit. Look at that. Just look at that, y'all. Just look how pretty that is right there. Golly. All right, let's get that lid back on. Lid it back up for another 15, 20 minutes. Be ready to serve. Hey, here we go, y'all. The crawfish etouffee is ready. Unveil the rice right there. Now check this out. Ooh, my goodness, look at that, look at that. Yeah. All right, got to fix us a plate here. Get in that rice right there. Oh man, get that rice piled up right there. Now check this out, y'all. Watch this crawfish etouffee. Look at that, look at them crawfish. Look at them peppers, look at that. Look at them onions. Man, that looks good right there, huh? Ooh-wee. All right, come on over here. Look at this, y'all. We got some of that boudin right here. Get that boudin cut right there. Get me some of this. Oh, man, look at that. Get some of that boudin right there. We're going to throw that on right there. Get us some of them little crackers right there like that. Oh, look at that, big. Show them up close. How's that look right there? Don't that look good? Don't that look good right there? Give me a spoon right here to eat with. Get that up. Look at that, y'all. Hey, I'm telling you right now, you got to try this simple, easy little crawfish etouffee recipe, because I'm telling you, it just don't get no better than this right here. Hit that boudin. Get your cracker. Dip in there like that. Put it on the cracker.